Huh?
Great.
Calm yourself. Listen right now in the name of Jesus.
What's up, guys? Back with another video. Here and now reacting. Today, as you can see by the title, I am gonna be doing a little prank, you know what I'm saying? On my granny, you know what I'm saying? I love my granny to death. But she gotta get pranked. Everybody, any and everybody can get pranked. But my granny know I love her. But I'm over here right now, and she here. I'm gonna be acting like I'm throwing up or coughing up blood or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So I'm a little graphic, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, I might do this prank a couple of times. So if y'all enjoy it, make sure y'all like it. Y'all get to like 35. Nah, y'all can do that easy. Get this whole to like 50 likes, and I'll do another one on somebody else, whoever y'all want in the comment section. But with that being said, I got everything already set up. All I gotta do is set up the camera. I've been coughing on and on all day. So, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? She already got a sense that I've been coughing all day. She probably think I'm just sick, which I am a little, my voice a little rusty, so don't mind that. But what I have, my G, I got some fake blood, little capsules or whatever, and what I'm gonna do, you gotta put it in your mouth. Pause. You gotta, you know what I'm saying? And then you bite down, and then it come, and then it busts, and then it gut. You know what I'm trying to say. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna leak. Oh wow, I don't know how to describe it, but no two, it's gonna come out. But yeah, so I'm gonna go in there. I'm gonna be coughing wherever. I'm gonna have them in my hand, and then when she realizes something wrong, I'm gonna pop two of them, probably two or one of them up in my mouth. Pause. And you know what I'm saying, it's gonna start leaking out or whatever. And I just want to get her reaction, see if she gonna go crazy, get to calling people. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna see her reaction. I'm gonna try to get her real reaction, because I tried to do a prank on my granny last time. Saying if you haven't seen that, it's over here or over there, one of them. But I tried to do a prank on her last time, and it didn't work out so well. So this is part 2, so let's get it. We just hit 1.7, 1 point something K subscribers, so y'all just keep going crazy. Let's go ahead and run it up. Let's get this 2 bands, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna come easy. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let's get it. I need to go see what she doing. So I'm finna go so she's currently up there asleep. You know what I'm saying? Excuse my ugliness or whatever, but yeah. Wow, I'm ugly. but she up there asleep or whatever, so I guess I'm gonna just go up there. I'm gonna go ahead and set up the camera. This is perfect. This is actually perfect. I'm gonna go up there and set the camera up. Nigga, you eat my snacks? Yeah. I'm finna go up there and set the camera up. And yeah, we just finna start the prank. Y'all stay tuned. Let's go ahead and run it up, like the video. Let's go. Why did I even mail that? throat hurt.
I got the same thing Shamar got. He got strep.
You think so?
It's contagious.
I ain't been around him. You know I don't really get sick like that either. I ain't been around him and I don't really get sick like that either.
Man, Dad, you gonna need some antibiotics or something. Ask your mama what to do.
What's that?
But you can always go out the blood and off the water. You okay? That blood? That blood, man?
Oh.
You need to go to the emergency room. Let me get on some clothes. Wait a minute. Here, Tremaine. Here. Can you breathe?
Granny.
Huh?
Granny.
Let's Calm yourself. Calm yourself. Let's right now in the name of Jesus. Let's go. Let's right now, Jesus.
Granny.
I can help you.
Granny.
What?
Help me.
Sit down. Sit down.
Granny.
Tremaine.
Granny, listen.
Yeah.
It's a prank. It's a prank.
Oh, God.
It's
You can't be a God, Daddy. Now you gotta clean that up. Oh.
Granny, it's capsules.
Woo. That ain't funny.
Granny, it's blood capsules. It's okay.
Yeah, you gotta clean that up. Come on, my God. He all right.
Nope.
Stand up.
I don't want to eat it.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, my God.
Granny,
Forgive me.
it's just a prank. It's
Woo.
just...
Oh, Jesus.
I'm fine.
Yeah, clean that up.
I am. It's just white water. It's just like... This stuff is disgusting, though. Ew.
I don't like that either.
You know what I'm saying? So, Granny, did I get you or not? Girl, you know I love you.
I know you too. Away from me.
So yeah, somebody did I get you?
My dude was scared.
Somebody you was scared? Huh? Look at you. Oh Lord, yeah, you're crazy. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed it. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. I got it this time. Last prank I didn't get her, so I had to get you, Granny. I'm sorry. I'll leave you alone. If y'all liked it, make sure y'all smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, we just hit 1K, so yeah, let's get it. But that's really about it. It's your boy Shinobi. I'm gone.
Be killing it.
Hey, I get it crunk, I get it wide, I get the party lit outside. I get it crunk, I get it wide, I get the party lit outside.